And about rotate project north, we got a specific tool which is rotate project north, which changes the relationship of elements relative to project north, which is the top of the drawing area in the plan views. Rotate true north, and as you can see, it is not available since the orientation is set to true north. Firstly, we should set the origin orientation to project north by this way. Afterwards, from this part, using rotate project north, we can rotate the project north or the top of the drawing area 90 degrees clockwise. And as you can see, it rotates all model elements, model views, and annotations in non-drafting views. So here we should specify the angle of rotation. If we click on show details, some more details are defined. Here, as you can see, some important items are mentioned. For instance, these action effects on the entire project, verify results in all views, and drafting will preserve coordinates of links placed where shared coordinates. And in the continuation, if work sharing has been enabled, ensure that all changes are checked in, and that no one is currently accessing the project. And finally, after these items, we got you should save a new central model when the rotation is complete. So we have to create a new central model. Okay, we close it, then maintain text, note orientation during rotation. That I have checked it, which is related to the text and notes that we want to maintain them. And 90 degrees clockwise, 90 degrees counterclockwise, or 180 degrees, or align selected line or plane. Which this, we can align it to a line or a plane actually. If I click on 90 degrees clockwise, watch this. The project north is rotated at 90 degrees clockwise. And when we click on 90 degrees, watch this, we are rotating the project north at 90 degrees clockwise by this way. So we can click on it for multiple times. Watch this, here it is reset, and we can rotate it at 90 degrees counterclockwise. Watch this, this is the result, like this way. Control Z to undo the process. This time I check maintain and then I click. Watch this. Again, position counterclockwise. Watch this. As you can see, the rooms and the text or notes are preserved. Control Z. I check maintain and then I still keep rotating it at 90 degrees counterclockwise. That we can continue doing this. I set it to its default mode. Then the next option is 180 degrees, like this way. I cancel it to return it to its default mode and align selected line or plane. Cancel. Here if I add some, for instance, symbol, check it out, to show the project north, and then I rotate this symbol at 30 degrees, like this way. Then let's see, from manage tab, rotate project, I want to align it with this reference of the symbol. Check it out. As you can see, it is rotated aligned to the central line of the symbol. Control Z, we get back to this part. I check maintain, align, I click on OK. In this part, as you can see, we got this snapping here that I move it, and I want to show the text. I remove the leader and this is the result. So we can rotate the project north based on lines, planes, or the references. Therefore, by rotate project north, we can change the relationship of elements relative to project north in the plan view. So rotate project north and rotate true north. Then you can use each in their appropriate cases.